Total Force Humanitarian Assistance and Disaster Response Challenge 2026. With this year's theme, Ready to Respond, Ready to Save Lives. Over the past 2 days, this activity has highlighted the significance of humanitarian assistance and disaster response as an essential component of mission readiness and public service. Our shared resolve to maintain always prepared, always capable, and always ready to serve. Ladies and gentlemen, may we now begin our program. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Eastern Mindanao Command Total Force Humanitarian Assistance and Disaster Response Capability Demonstration.
Team Alpha, this is Command Post, visit the incident area and conduct initial assessment. Over.
Command Post, this is Team Alpha, moving to the area now. Over.
Roger, report coming upon arrival. Roger, now.
Team Alpha is now moving to the incident site. The area has been designated as structurally unstable with multiple casualties reported. Team Alpha is conducting a rapid size-up, marking hazards, identifying entry points, and establishing safety perimeters to secure the operational area and ensure responders' safety for the upcoming rescue operations. Upon assessment, the primary access point to the structure is blocked by heavy debris and collapsed structural components, preventing safe entry for rescue personnel. In response, Team Alpha will execute an alternate forced entry operation using a chainsaw as bridging equipment to carefully cut and clear obstructing materials and establish a safe access point. All actions are coordinated with the command post to maintain continuous communication, situational awareness, and operational safety control. Team Alpha is now proceeding with bridging operations and preparation for interior search and rescue deployment. The first team, consisting of 11 personnel, begins building entry, search, and rescue operations inside the collapsed structure. The team systematically searches each area of structure, locating trapped casualties, stabilizing injuries, and preparing them for safe evacuation. The medical element of Team Alpha is actively performing basic life support interventions, ensuring airway management, hemorrhage control, and stabilization of patients prior to transport. This phase demonstrates precision, teamwork, and adherence to military rescue procedures, ensuring all simulated victims are safely extracted. The second team performs ladder rescue in an urban environment. Laying and controlled descent techniques are being executed. Stranded victims are retrieved safely, highlighting the team's technical competence and coordination. once a critical component of effective disaster operation. In this scenario, the personnel are also showcasing their not-tying expertise. This stage underscores the importance of coordination between operational teams and medical support, ensuring rapid and safe casualty management.
Kamay na lang ito. Para pagbigat. Pero kung ano lang yun, sakit na lang atong mo. Ang tao na tanan.
With all operations successfully executed, both teams consolidate in front of the Commander Eastern Mindanao Command. At this time, personnel will render a military salute and report. This concludes the Eastern Mindanao Command Total Force HADR capability demonstration, validating the team's readiness, coordination, technical expertise, and operational excellence in disaster response operations. Once again, let's give them a round of applause.
This effort is also in line with the current campaign of the command based on the intent of higher headquarters to conduct HADR and integrate the reserve force with the regular force.
Given this 26th day of March 2026 at Headquarters Eastern Mindanao Command, NSFA Panakang Davao City signed Lieutenant General Adonis Ariel G. Orio, Philippine Army, Commander Eastern Mindanao Command. We would like to request the Commander East Mincom to give the award to be assisted by our U8 Colonel Naing Sir. Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to the Technical Administrative Service to be received in bulk by Lieutenant Colonel Verina D. Marie Familiar. Another certificate of appreciation is hereby given to the 505 Search and Rescue. And now to receive the Best Team Leader Award from Team NFEM and NRCen Eastern Mindanao. Congratulations to First Lieutenant Ronnie S. Vargas, O-16103 Philippine Marines Reserve. Congratulations, sir. And now the best in medical response. Congratulations to Top 10 and reservists from 8RCen. Search and Rescue Award. Congratulations to Top 10 and reservists from 8RCen. And for the overall winners, second runner-up, congratulations to 4th Infantry Division Team 2 and reservists from 15th RCDG. HADR Challenge 2026. Congratulations! Top 10 and reservists from 8RCen. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a round of applause for our champion for the Local Force HADR Challenge 2026.
The office primarily responsible for the conduct of Total Force HADR Challenge are UA, Colonel Crisanto 9, are U9, Colonel Alvin Sevilla, the DO of Southeast Spin, we have Colonel Jeffrey Abigail Morales. Our umpires and evaluators, we have the 505th Philippine Air Force, the Philippine Coast Guard, Southeastern Mindanao, the NAVSU 7, participants from the different AP units under Eastern Mindanao Command, both attending physically, the BTC from the Joint Task Force Aguila, Tao EM. Reserve Force Administrator. Other officers present, enlisted personnel headed by Command Sergeant Major, in honor to formally declare the Total Force Humanitarian Assistance Disaster Relief Challenge 2026 officially closed. Congratulations! Nakita ko hindi mo na ma-distinguish yung regular at naka-reserve mo. And every time I give the medal, I ask, are you a regular? Kaya at least by doing this, nakita natin na yung initially, at the start, yung tinatawag nila ng total force. And so doing, is one of the practicals na napakaganda na napaghalo natin yung regular reserve force. Hopefully, kung sakasakali, hindi naman natin pinapangarap na magyari man yung incidente or accident, at least we have to practice this one kasi napakaganda. Kasi definitely, dati nag-join lang yung reserve force during the servitions, yung servicio para man, but definitely during disasters.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring and meaningful message. Yunan. Ladies and gentlemen, the ceremony of furling of the banner of the Eastern Mindanao Command Total Force HADR Challenge 2026 is now formally concluded. Let's give a round of applause, please, for everyone. And now may I request everyone to please rise for the singing of the Pilipinas.
Budget ni ano yung mga tropa oh. Panggutom pichinso gutom Sir Marcos best in leadership yeah ay gulo
Ka na, sir. Maganda na, sir.
Ipakuan na lang, sir. Practice na lang kay dalawang